This is a 2002 Porsche Boxster S. So this car is over 20 years old, which means that there's a tremendous amount of fogging that's happened on this rear window. And a lot of that comes from simply the fact that A, I'm in South Florida, but also when this top is down, this part here is getting tucked right here. Now that's right by the engine. Granted, there is a heat shield there. What that's happening over the time is that it's getting this heated up despite the heat shield. The bottom line is this gets fogged up, but you can replace this entire top is available for sale on Amazon, and I'm going to put an affiliate link to buy that in this description. So if you try to defog this and you're unable to, it just can't get clean, it's probably time to replace the entire unit. I don't have a video on how to do that, but that might be something that I make in the future.